What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. In today's video I shall be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. As always, I will be uploading a video testing the camera's still and video capabilities, and once these videos have been uploaded I will leave them linked down below in the video description. Finally, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when I upload any further videos. Without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So firstly, let's talk about this new model. It's available in the same colours that we've had in the previous iPhone 12 Pro series, though the Pacific Blue has now been replaced by this, the new Sierra Blue, meaning it's available in graphite silver, gold and of course Sierra Blue. Its starting price is also cheaper here in the UK, with it starting off around £50 less than what we've seen previously. Whereas if you're from the United States then the price will remain the same at $999. This time around we have the addition of a 1TB model, which is something you'll most certainly want if you're looking to record any video in ProRes, which these Pro iPhones are now capable of doing. Though the starting price of these iPhones start off at £1,449, is something you definitely won't see much of. Also this year you can see that Apple have done away with the plastic wrap that used to surround the box. Instead we now have two pull tabs, one on the top and one on the bottom, which is a plus for their environmental impact, which is something we're starting to see more and more of from the California based company. Last year we lost the power adapter and the earpods. Who knows what's next? Anyway, lifting away the lid reveals the device, and I have to say I wasn't too keen on the colour when I first saw it in the store, but under these studio lights it really does look quite nice, and the stainless steel band is also glistening. But putting it to a side, we get our first look at the included bits and bobs, which at this point really isn't much. Firstly, we now have the standard USB-C to Lightning cable, which is sadly not braided or colour matched as we've seen in the new iMac models. A missed opportunity if you ask me. Finally, we get the included paperwork, which is tiny and no longer has details on your warranty, as this can now be found through the settings app. Once again, we see Apple trying to minimize what comes included in the box. I'm sure it saved a handful of trees. Anyway, you get your SIM card ejection tool, which at this point is probably the last time we'll see this included with an iPhone, a quick start guide and a small Apple sticker. Yes, gone are the days of two larger Apple stickers included when you purchase an iPhone. And then we have the device itself. So if you would like to see this device tested, compared and then reviewed, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when any new videos go live. Of course, if you have any video suggestions or anything you'd like to see tested, then be sure to let me know by hitting me up over on Twitter and Instagram, links to which can be found down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.